welcome back to our channel, Fun and All. It's me, Queenie, with my sister,
Kavya,
and Kyra. And today we're making roti. We are Gujaratis and we love roti. And we already showed you guys makki ki roti. And today we're gonna make some wheat flour rotis.
Hey guys, it's Hannah, and I'm ready, and this my sister, Kyra.
Hey, what's this?
It's a single.
Oh, it's a single?
It's single.
I've taken 3 cups of wheat flour. You can take how much you need. A teaspoon of salt. Then mix all the dry ingredients together. Then add 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix that as well. Also, have some lukewarm water ready for the kneading. Add a little bit of water as you go. The dough for roti is not very hard. It has to be on the softer side.
Want to talk on the phone with me? Yeah. Come on, let's go. Look, I'm making wood.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so good. Good job. I started with 1 cup of water, but altogether I've added 2 cups of water. And this is what the consistency should be like. Should be pretty soft. And then put some oil and just grease it. And once you're done with that, put it aside for around 30 minutes to activate the gluten. Make sure you're really punching the dough to make it softer. And then just cover it and leave it aside for 30 minutes. This is what the dough looks like after 30 minutes of wait. We're going to make lime-sized balls, roll them in normal flour, and then start rolling them. These are what they should look like. Now we're going to start rolling. You can start dipping them in normal flour and start rolling them with a rolling pin. Make sure your griddle is on medium flame. The roti is supposed to be thin. Make it as thin as possible. Then put it on the griddle. Keep the roti on the griddle for 2 minutes, around 2 minutes.
again. Oh my gosh. This is so much fun, right? Yeah. Daddy, come. Look. You go like bloop, 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 bloop.
Kyra, what you making?
I'm making roti for mommy.
Wow. You know how to make it?
Yeah.
You are so smart, Kyra.
It got stuck again.
I am so proud of you.
It's been 2 minutes and now I'm gonna flip my roti because I see bubbles coming up on it. Leave it for 2 more minutes.
What are you making?
I'm making roti for mommy.
You're making roti?
Yeah.
Are you gonna make a nice big roti?
Yeah.
Wow. I'm surprised to see you make roti. Wow, you're doing so well, Kyra.
She's a big girl now. Do you need any help? No, okay. You got it? Yeah. Fist bump. High five. But my hand's so dirty. It's alright. Fist bump. High five. No, my hand's so dirty. Handshake? No.
I'm gonna put it on this.
It's like a ball. Can I do with the ball too? See how nice it looks? Now we're just gonna apply some ghee on it.
Now I'm gonna flip it over because it's been 2 minutes. And now I'm gonna put it on the grill. Flip it over as needed. Now I'm gonna put on some desi ghee. Just spread it out evenly. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell for more notifications. Thank you. Bye.
But baby, you'll fall down.
What happened? Oh, you're on the table? Oh no, is the table lava? Yeah. Let's get off quickly. Is your butt safe?